So good afternoon and welcome everybody. We are Forrec and we are now presenting the right steps to a profitable recycling technology. My name is Luisa Macchione. I'm the marketing manager at Forrec. I'm working with this company since 2008. And I'm dealing with exhibitions, events, magazines, website of the company. Together with me, Mr. Emanuele Zilio. Please, Emanuele.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, dear customers. I'm Mr. Emanuele. I'm working in Forrec since 2010, and I'm in the sales world. I started to sell and to promote Forrec brand in Italy long time ago, and now I'm responsible for the foreign for many foreign markets, so Europe, US, Japan, Australia. That's my world. So welcome to this exhibition.
So today's agenda foreseen few steps. The first one is who Forrec is, and today we're going to explain who the company is. So talking about recycling, we are clearly speaking about also Forrec, which is a company closely linked to this word and to this word, let's say, okay? So we will present then something like a decalogue, so 10 steps to more profitable shredding technology, of course, and a path accompanied by several case histories to better explain how to get the maximum performance and yield from waste treatment, thanks to our experience, of course. Who is Forrec? So just a few words to tell you who Forrec is. So we are a young company born in 2007. So quite young, just a teenager company, but founded by partners with more than 30 years of experience in the waste treatment sector. The head office is located in Padova, which is in the northeast of Italy, near Venice, okay, which is more known. Forrec has, in any case, sales offices all over the world, agents and distributors which cover all the areas of the world. So this is, we are attending more or less 15 exhibitions each year. So in case you wish, you can visit us in one of these exhibitions. Apart from the last period due to the emergency, sanitary emergency. So we are what? We are designers, first of all, and manufacturers of shredders and customized turnkey systems for waste recycling. So as you can see in this slide, there is a DNA strand, which perfectly confirm, perfectly say what Forrec is a company which is studying the project exactly on customers' demand. And as the DNA strands, we are unique, okay? So we design a unique project for our customer. And we are both manufacturer of single machines, but also of complete turnkey systems. So just for explaining better what we're doing, we invite you to see this video, which presents in short our production, our people, our premises. So enjoy the video. So now Mr. Emanuele will explain in detail our range of products, starting from the single machine and then going on with the different complete installations. Please, Emanuele, it's your turn.
Thank you, Luisa. Thank you for your introduction. So Forrec, as Luisa said, was born with the production of single machines. So one of the first machine we are producing is an evergreen product. It's the primary shredder. It's a two-shaft shredder, combining different kind of options in terms of manufacturing. So you can have different kind of blades, like fixed blades in iron and steel, like a bolted knife in case of a quick change, or a knife refilled by a welding robot. And we have really a large and huge size of dual shaft shredder, combining different power for different applications. The other range we are currently producing is the four-shaft shredder, which reduce the volume, but at the same time give you the possibility to size the waste according to your wish, for in case the downstream that you have later on. Belonging to the big world of the dual shaft shredder, we have the rotary shear machines, which is a dual shaft shredder, but has a massive bolted knife for a simple maintenance or for a quick substitution. It's a two shaft, as I said, with 4 motors, so the torque is incredible high and higher compared to the traditional one. And this machine is normally used for resistant materials because the speed is very low, the torque is very high. Just for giving you a quickly example, where you have to shred car bodies with or without engine, doesn't matter. You have to use that kind of machines. We have the multi-crusher. This is a two-shaft primary shredder with a special design specifically studied from our R&D department, able to combine a proper setting between high hook and its cutting table underneath, in case of waste opening, in case of baled waste, in case of bulky waste. So that's the real and unique machine for instance, unsorted municipal solid waste as well. We produce also single shaft shredder. These are machines designed for the granulation of material that combine a rotor with a sieve installed with 1 or 2 contra blades, depends on the application. So it's a machine that is suitable for plastic and light material in some cases, and normally I see the electric version is the suitable version, or in case of non-ferrous scrap, but metal scrap at the same time, like aluminum or heavier waste, we can even offer the hydraulic version. We have the granulators that are, fast machines for the granulation of pre-shredded material that we will see later on. We use most of the time in our turnkey system. We have also compact hammer mills, so we produce that kind of machines because we saw in the last period this compact machine has a high demand in the market. For instance, in the electromotors recycling treatment, where you need to obtain a very good size reduction and a very nice separation for the further downstream. So in general, as I said, and as you saw before, the machines that we design and that we directly manufacture are located within more complex and engineering plants suitable for the treatment of tires, e-scrap, refrigerators, or wires, or motors, or plastic. So a large turnkey solution that we can offer to our customers. So let's go a little bit in detail and try to figure out the right steps to the correct and profitable recycling technology. The price is something that came really at the end of your choice. But what we want to focus is the choice of the right machine is really important. And that's the reason why I always insist to be not a sales, but a consulting, because by knowing exactly what is your kind of waste, what's your purpose, how the waste is, because from A to B, even though the waste could be the same, there could be a lot of differences. So I'm always pushing with my dealer and with my end user to provide me as much as possible detailed information. And that's the first step to go straight ahead to the right solution. For instance, some case history recently developed is the manufacturing of a specific machine for the tires recycling world. We met a lot of requests, especially from the cement world, from the cement company, I mean, where they would like to have a real clean cut product. So we designed that machine specifically for that world, for that application. So how important is the design and the profitability of the shredding on the plant? So it's very important, and that's the reason why our technical office in Forrec has more than 12 engineers between project development and research of new performing solution for waste treatment. They study the machine safety. We study how to reduce the maintenance cost thanks to a structural and technical measurement. So we try to have the maximum efficiency as possible, eliminating redundant passages. So Forrec supplies single machines, true, but also we manufacture directly many components without going in outsourcing. For instance, transport system, dosing system, unloading system. You know, the reason is very simply, many customers, I would say 100% of them, want to have one responsible for the whole line. And that's the reason why we go and we decided to manufacture as much as possible internally. One of the best case I can tell you is the case of the Belarus, where there was a company inside a technological park for the waste treatment in Minsk that at the beginning has chosen us for the supply of a tires recycling line, full line, able to do approximately 6 tons an hour. And 6 months later, they choose us again for the installation and for the supply of our refrigerators and our e-scrap line. Or the case of France of last year, where 2 leading waste disposal companies rely on Forrec for the treatment of refrigerators. So even though both with 2 different technologies, one with the cryogenic system, for instance, and the other one manages the gas combustion on site. Both request definitely with higher professionalism, and the plants respond perfectly to the Willapex legislation, which is the legislation in Europe that rules the such kind of dangerous e-scrap, trying to reduce the impact on the environmental. Or the case of Turkey, where Forrec is massively present with several lines for the treatment of aluminum. Where over there we have more than 5 lines working with the single-shaftshredder hydraulic version, able to process up to 11 tons an hour. just to go into the circular economy from scrap to new material. Recently, we have also improved and installed the electric motor treatment plants that as having a great source of profit for the customer, in particular because of also of the restriction of the export to Far East countries of such kind of material. And I would say that the material that comes out from that line is very, very clean, profitable for the customer. The plant you see in this slide, for instance, is located in Hungary, and it has been implemented to obtain an ever cleaner product into the downstream line. So at the end of the fair, what we do care, so that the investment pays for itself, of course, quickly, and that our plant has the low operating cost, so gives a measurable profits. And to do that, the tailored design study for simple maintenance, such as the reduction of plant maintenance time, the simplified machines access to reduce manpower, the easy replacement of spare parts, or the optimization of the installed power for energy saving, for instance. Service and support, how Forrec is organized. Forrec, for instance, has 7 mobile workshops moving around the world with language speaking technicians prepare for any kind of mechanical and electrical intervention, or 6 internal operators for remote assistance through internet that they plug from our server directly to the control panel of the end user, wherever it is. We have 2,000 square meters of spare parts warehouse, so they are available for ordinary and extraordinary maintenance. So loyal partners with worldwide location for fast delivery of spare parts. A higher customer staff training, so our customers knows the machines and the operations of the plant like we do, like we train, like we teach. So we always transfer our knowledge to the operator to make them autonomous in the management of the machines. With a programming of the maintenance in case, so we propose a programmed maintenance to give a continuous and complete assistance day by day to the customers, or in case also intervention in speed, because thanks to our big warehouse we can send some spares in case of need. Forrec support also the customer in the purchase part of the product, finding and sometimes recommending the best financial instrument. So there is also an exchange of used machines. Many times we take back the used machine and we replace with a new or with a new performing model, that depends. And then we sell the used machine by refurbishing. We also suggest various payment terms or installment solution, because we collaborate with financing and insurance companies that can insure the credit or can offer deferred payment, allowing the customer, to sleep quiet, let's say. So that's Forrec, dear customer. Dial the number, call us, email us, and we are very keen and proud to help you in the best choose of the right equipment. Seeing is believing, someone can say. So you can also have access to our YouTube channel, where you have the possibility to see a lot of movie, or you can even decide to bring your stuff and your waste inside our company and see how the machine works, or see even other equipment that we are producing. This is an example of the rotary shear, where you can see a packed car that is gone in 1 minute. So let's pick the video more than me. You see the incredible torque of that machine. So let's go with some case history, where you can see from those pictures some shredders. One particular is mounted on a truck, on a trailer, or some shredders for the scrap treatment or for tires application. These are machines and line for metal treatment, hammer mill for electromotors, or this is a line for wires, electrical cables. For instance, the green one, the left picture is a turnkey solution for wire treatments that we have placed many years ago in US. Or the right one is located in Italy. It's for the e-scrap recycling system. Here you can see other pictures of installation that we did. The black one is a compact hammer mill for the aluminum treatment, or the green one is for the e-scrap preparation, or the last one is for, as you can see, the image is for white goods recycling, that is in France, for instance. So a larger use of our equipment, as you saw in this presentation. If you have any questions, you can mail us, you can chat with us. I hope my presentation has been enough clear, and yeah, thank you for your visit. Vote for us on next election. Now I give the word for the final greetings to my colleague Luisa. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much to everybody. Thanks, Emanuele. We would like to close with this sentence, which is, profits is not a dirty word. And we hope we have transferred you exactly this idea during this presentation, during this webinar. Also because we would like to stay next to you for your future business, future investment in shredders or recycling solution. And we used to say we are a step forward with you, so always together with you in managing any kind of request. So thank you again, everybody, for listening us. You can reach us by phone, by email, and also in our brand new and up-to-date website, which is online. Also, you can visit us at eREC virtual stand. And as Emanuele told, we are available for any questions in our chat, directly connected to the stand. Thank you again. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye.